If your AirTag suddenly stops updating its location, or you receive a low battery notification, it usually means the battery needs to be replaced. The good thing is that AirTag batteries are designed to be user replaceable, so you don't need any tools or technical skills to swap them out. Still, if you've never done it before, the process might not feel immediately obvious, especially since there's no visible compartment or latch. Many people try to pull it open the wrong way, which can be confusing at first. Once you understand how the back cover works, the entire process becomes quick and simple. In just a minute or two, you can replace the battery and have your AirTag working like new again without any hassle. Try these. Step 1. Hold your AirTag with the stainless steel side facing up. Step 2. Press down firmly on the metal cover and rotate it counterclockwise. Step 3. Lift off the cover to expose the battery inside. Step 4. Remove the old CR2032 battery and insert a new one with the positive side facing up. Step 5. Listen for a small sound to confirm the battery is properly connected. Step 6. Place the cover back on and rotate it clockwise until it locks into place.